If you want to find the location of a game that you downloaded using the Xbox application on your PC, all you have to do is simply open the Xbox application and then find the game that you'd like to find the location for. So let's say, for instance, this particular game, all you have to do is right click on it, and then from the options that appear, select manage. And then at this section, choose the files category. And then all you have to do is click on browse. And now you should find the location of that particular game. So since it's Forza Horizon 6, you can simply see it here. You can simply select that file, choose content, and then from here you can find the game details at this particular folder. So the same process applies for all the other games. So let's say, for instance, this particular game, right click on it, select manage, select files, and then choose on browse, and you should find the location of that particular game. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.